team revitalization, ignite purpose and engagement. Is there a sense that your team is losing sight of its purpose, resulting in dwindling engagement? Empower your team to enhance productivity, cultivate collaboration, and ignite a purposeful work journey. To kickstart your transformation, I'm offering a free resource, Unlocking Team Success, 5-step guide to nurture a team, improve performance, relationships, and well-being. Drop me an email to qclub@gmail.com to claim your copy. Please act quickly because it's a limited time offer. Many employees nowadays come into a job and a company with specific expectations in mind. They're really seeking more than just a job. They want their work to carry significance and purpose. This desire is particularly pronounced among millennial hires who make up a majority of the workforce. This millennial generation actually continues to shape the professional landscape. The expectation for meaningful work is becoming a transformative force in the way we approach recruitment, the way we approach business. In my many years as an international trainer and ICF coach, here's something I've seen up close. When organizations genuinely connect with their employees, it makes a world of difference in how they manage performance. It's not just a task or a checkbox on a survey. It really isn't. It's about consistently caring for and nurturing each person. Unfortunately, when engagement becomes just an item to check off rather than a continuous and integrated part of managing and supporting individuals, organizations, businesses often miss the mark on their performance goals. So as a leader or a vital team player, what do you need to do to revitalize your team and help you and them find their purpose? Here's one powerful behavior that you really need to immediately grow. Transparency. Transparency triumph, the catalyst for trust, collaboration, and team magic. In gratitude for joining today, I have some free goodies, plus other delights to help you thrive in your personal and professional life. Community engagement. Join our vibrant community. Receive notifications for our live Q Club Q&A and skill building sessions, focusing on personal and professional development. To secure your spot, just reach out to me at qclub@gmail.com. When you do, please share your LinkedIn profile URL to receive the Zoom link and complimentary copy of Revitalizing Team and Finding Purpose. Simply email me at qclub@gmail.com to claim your empowering resource. Act quickly as copies are limited. Curious about these tailored micro courses? Schedule your free consultation with me at qclub@gmail.com. I'm really looking forward to connecting with you during our free consultation and in our next session. Please don't forget to subscribe and please show me some love with a thumbs up. And also remember, transformation is not just a process, it is an art. Let's create a bold, brave, beautiful masterpiece together. And remember, you are bold, brave, beautiful. And now say it back. Take good care.